of politicians who make promises in private when they are running for office and want our support, and they don't want to even know us in public after they win the election.
Jerry is dynamic, he's aggressive, and he's focused.
He's always been good-looking. Started in the morning, he was clean-shaven until we left convention. The stubbles was coming out on his beard.
He was like a volcano, always ready to erupt.
He's always been a leader. And you always knew where he was coming from. He didn't beat around the bush. If he had something to say, he said it.
Nobody stands taller in American organized labor, in my mind, than Gerry McEntee. He's had a tremendous influence in California and around the country.
My daughter Elise was born 23 weeks premature, and she have a chronic lung disease. She's about half a pound, not even a pound. This is her, and this is the oxygen mask, She's 14 years old now. In 1999, President Gerald McEntee worked with Governor Gray Davis to pass the legislation requiring 200,000 home care providers have a right to collective bargaining. With that, now I have a health insurance. If I won't be able to take care of my daughter, she probably will end up in the institution.
He pushed, he prodded, and he was determined to get what he thought was fair treatment for his members in California and around the country. But nobody did it with more style or more successfully than Gerry McEntee.
The president has national health care. The first family has national health care. And let me tell you, if it's good enough for them, it's good enough for us.
From the moment that I took office, Gerry made it clear. Actually, he made it clear during the campaign. And many of the AFSCME members who had endorsed me and worked for me made it clear that they hoped we would move quickly after I took office.
We kept hammering away, lobbying, testifying at these committee hearings. And then lo and behold, we got a Democratic governor elected who promised us that he would give us legislation we could live with. And the rest is history.
One of my successors, a conservative Republican governor and a Republican legislature, tried to appeal Ohio's collective bargaining law a year ago. And the people of Ohio, overwhelmingly, more than 60% of them said, no, we want to maintain this framework for engaging with our public employees. It's interesting to me that on a matter of this consequence, we were able to do something that was good then and is still viewed by the people of Ohio as good today.
It was Jerry's idea to go forward back in the end of the 60s, get a collective bargaining law passed for us in Pennsylvania so that public employees could organize and have true collective bargaining.
Until the union come in, it was another nursing job. Nurses were never paid what they were worth. Never.
There are literally tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of public workers all over this country who are better off today because of Gerry McEntee.
Thank you, Gerry.
Thank you, President McEntee.
Gerry, thank you.
And it wasn't that you were doing it for McEntee. McEntee was asking us to do it for ourselves.